guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in and hanging out with me today. So today's video, I'm going to share with you 2 hidden dangers of applying retinol around the eyes. Now, retinol, as we all know, is the gold standard in anti-aging. It's an ingredient must-have for anti-aging, but a lot of people go into using it with just slapping it on and not really understanding what it's doing to your skin, even your health. So the one hidden danger is gonna be beauty related. The other hidden danger that I'm sharing with you today is health related. These are things you definitely wanna know before applying retinol around your eyes. And then stick around to the end of the video where I'll share with you the most amazing anti-aging ingredient that you can safely use around your eyes without having to worry about these issues. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. We're all about getting the best, the healthiest skin of our lives, which I know you will if you subscribe to my channel. And then also follow me over on Instagram where you'll get more skincare tips and tricks and skincare routines and just daily skincare life. So subscribe, head on over to Instagram, follow me there, and let's dive into this video, you guys. Let's talk about the 2 hidden dangers of applying retinol around your eyes. All right, so like I said, retinol is a form of vitamin A, and we all know that vitamin A is the gold standard in anti-aging. We all want to be using vitamin A. It's a more well-known anti-aging ingredient now, and I think we all kind of know what retinol is. There's different forms of vitamin A. I've done videos of those in the past, but retinol is your over-the-counter, vitamin A, and then you have your retinoic acid, your Retin-A, which is your prescription strength of vitamin A. Now, because we all know how anti-aging vitamin A is and your retinol is, we just automatically want to use as much as possible around our eye area because the eye area is going to be more susceptible to aging. It's going to be prone to aging first. The skin is so delicate, the skin is so thin around our eyes that you are going to see aging around your eyes way quicker than anywhere else on your face. So it only makes sense that you want to take your vitamin A up around your eyes. But if anyone is familiar with retinol or Retin-A, you know how drying they are. They are very drying. They rip apart your skin barrier. They irritate your skin. You are left with red, peeling, flaky skin, and I can't even tell you guys how many people can never get through that stage. There are some people who can get past the drying, the irritation, all those negative side effects. There are some people who can get past that and go on to be able to use Retin-A or retinols. But there is a huge majority of people who cannot. They can never tolerate either one of those ingredients because they're so drying and they're so irritating to the skin. And for the majority of people that I talk to, they are consistently trying to push past that stage, but in the same time, they're just ripping apart their skin barrier. Their skin is becoming so dry and dehydrated, and that is not what you want. That's the opposite of what you want. That's the opposite, effect of, a vitamin A, of an anti-aging product like that, because you end up just looking dehydrated and you're breaking down your skin barrier and it's no good. So let's take that up to the eye area. A lot of people think, again, retinol, Retin-A, let's apply it around the eyes. That's going to be so anti-aging. I need to really tighten and firm and get rid of the lines and wrinkles around my eyes. So take the #1 anti-aging ingredient, your vitamin A, let's apply it around the eyes. But what you don't realize, and what happens to so many people out there, again, is that you are drying out the under eyes so much. So instead of, erasing those wrinkles and firming up that skin, you actually are creating more wrinkles. You will dry out your skin so much because the retinol, the Retin-A, is just zapping all moisture out of your skin that you will start to see more wrinkles because, again, dehydrated skin, you're going to see those wrinkles. So it kind of ends up having the opposite effect of what you're looking for. You're looking to tighten up that skin, to firm up that skin, to erase the lines and wrinkles, but with a Retin-A around your eyes, with a retinol around your eyes, you're doing the exact opposite. And I've talked to so many of you guys who said the same thing. You're like, oh my God, I didn't know what I was doing. I applied retinol around my eyes and now my eyes are so dry. And a lot of people, it's very hard to get that moisture back into their skin after they've, really dehydrated and dried out their under eyes with a Retin-A or a retinol. So that's the beauty danger side of things. Let's talk about the health danger side of things, because this is something that's more new to me that I really wanted to, bring to all of your attention at the same time. So I was talking to some skincare formulators of mine about this ingredient and about using it around your eyes, all of that stuff, which these skincare formulators told me about some dangers that I then took to my eye doctor and questioned him about, which he said the same thing, which actually was shocking to me. So what I've come to learn is because your retinols, because your Retin-A is so drying, like I said, it's actually drying out the oil glands that are in your eyelids around your eyes. The oil glands, I'm not an eye doctor, it's a crazy name, it's right here. Those oil glands line our eyes, and it helps with like tear production, and it helps to keep your eyes comfortable and just your eyes moisturized. When you're using a Retin-A or retinol around your eyes, you can actually really do damage to those oil glands around your eyes, where they're damaged to a point of just no return. It's irreversible damage, where you're gonna have dry eye syndrome, you're gonna have red, irritated eyes. My eye doctor said people are actually getting ocular diseases. He's seeing it more and more as people are really, taking their Retin-A around their eyes, their retinol around their eyes, and just drying out that skin. So even if you're using Retin-A around your eye, and you're thinking, oh, well, I'm not putting it up on my eyelid, I'm not taking it too close, what it does is it actually migrates under the skin, and it can still get into those areas. And those areas, like I said, with those oil glands surrounding your eye, you can do a lot of damage, which I didn't even personally realize myself until talking to these formulators and talking to my eye doctor. So dysfunction of the oil glands around your eyes is actually the #1 cause of dry eye syndrome and irritated eyes, red eyes, all of that. And it's becoming more and more prevalent in women as they're getting older because of the use of Retin-A and retinols around your eye. It's not something that can happen right away. It can be something, my eye doctor said, that can take years to happen, and for all those side effects to really come out, with issues in your eye area. But there are a lot of people who see these negative side effects to their eye area within even a couple of weeks to a couple of months of using Retin-A and retinols. So it just all kind of depends. It can happen quickly, but it can take years, he said, to actually develop that issue, but he's seeing it more and more. The same goes for Accutane as well. Now, Accutane is a form of vitamin A. It's taken orally though, and it literally just dries out your whole body. If you know anyone who's ever taken Accutane, if you've taken Accutane, you know how drying it is. That literally your eyes will get dried out from taking Accutane. It's a very powerful drug. I've talked about it in other videos because I think there's much better approaches to acne than that. But it's the same thing. It's drying out your skin, drying out your eyes. And the same thing goes for applying retinoic acid, Retin-A, or retinols around that eye area too. It can do the same damaging effects. So now let's talk about the ingredient that you absolutely safely can use that is amazing for anti-aging. I have been using it for years. And again, it's a vitamin A, but it's a safer, more gentle form of vitamin A, and it does not have those negative side effects. What we're talking about today is retinaldehyde. Retinaldehyde is my favorite form of vitamin A. So there's basically 3 levels of vitamin A, which most people are familiar with. You have your retinol, then you have your retinaldehyde, which is more powerful than your retinol, and then you have your retinoic acid. So basically your skin converts the 2 over-the-counter versions, your retinol, retinaldehyde. It takes those and converts them into retinoic acid in your skin. But what people don't realize, because retinaldehyde is not in that many products, it is not a well-known form of vitamin A, what most people don't realize is that retinol will convert into retinaldehyde in your skin, and then retinaldehyde, one easy conversion away to retinoic acid in your skin. So the quicker the conversion, the more powerful and potent that form of vitamin A is. The thing that I love about retinaldehyde is you can safely use it around your eyes. I mean, I honestly use it all over. I use it all over my face, down my neck, down my chest. It is my favorite anti-aging ingredient. It is just as effective and has been clinically studied, clinically proven to be just as effective as Retin-A with your, collagen stimulation, your elastin, all of that. It is just as effective as your Retin-A, but without the negative side effects. Your skin barrier, it stays intact, which is the most important thing. There is no drying, there's no irritation, there's no red, peely, flaky skin. You just get all of the anti-aging benefits without any negative, harsh side effects. And if you're familiar with my channel, you know that keeping your skin barrier healthy is the most important factor for anti-aging. You can slap on every anti-aging product that you have, and if it's ripping apart your skin barrier, you're doing the exact opposite to your skin. You're drying out your skin, you're irritated, you're flaky, products are stinging, and they're just not, working as well. No, you want to keep your skin barrier intact, but you obviously want the most powerful, potent ingredients, and that is what retinaldehyde is. It's the best form of vitamin A. Now, this is my favorite product my favorite retinaldehyde product is the Osmosis Vitamin A Serums. I have been using these for years. I'm talking like 8 years I've been using these, and they are amazing. There is nothing better. This is the best retinaldehyde product on the market, I can assure you. There's 3 different strengths. There's Calm, which is the lowest strength. Then there's your Correct, which is the middle strength. And then Renew, which is your highest strength. I'm using Renew, but I did work my way up. So just because it's more gentle on your skin, you're not gonna get any negative side effects. You don't want to just jump right into the highest level. You want to take it a little bit slow. I will say most people can start with the middle strength, which is your Correct. Unless you have like very, very sensitive rosacea prone skin, then you would start with the Calm. But most people can jump right into the middle, which is Correct. But this is the best form of vitamin A. Again, retinaldehyde you can safely take up around your eyes. I take it up daily around my eyes every day because it's not drying. It's not creating any harmful side effects to your eye area. So now you know exactly what to use to get the best anti-aging results around your eyes. Retinaldehyde is going to tighten up that skin, really firm the skin around your eyes. It's going to lessen the lines and wrinkles. And again, it's all done safely without drying, without irritating the skin. Your skin will not become dehydrated, and you don't have to worry about those kind of scary eye issues. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. I will link the Osmosis Vitamin A's down below for you all. Thank you all so much for watching. If any of you have, had experience with like dry eyes or getting eye disease from your Retin-A or your retinols, definitely let us know below. My eye doctor said he's been talking to more and more people where this occurrence is becoming more prevalent. So let me know if you've had any experience with this. Let us all know. I think it's something that we should all be aware of before we just go slapping products around our eyes. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed. Also subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye.